In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can set up call forwarding on Teams. So to your left on the menu, you want to select the calls option. Then here at the bottom where it says don't forward, you want to click the drop down and select forward to voicemail. You can also select additional settings by selecting the drop down again and select more settings. So you can set your custom recording, choose a language for your default greeting, choose what happens if the call redirects to voicemail. So if you select the drop down, these are the different options that you can choose from. So here you can let the caller record a message. And you can even set a custom text for your greeting. So that's pretty much it for call forwarding in Teams. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.